Is Yerling, and this is my week 3 project 2 part 1. So I will demonstrate CRUD operation for my two collection authors books as well as validation, error handling, and deployment on render. So first, I already have my localhost API docs here. So we can see my Swagger documentation. We have two collections, authors and books, and each collection includes full CRUD operations. So let's go here and post. If we go to the author and try out and use this template that I already have and execute, it will return on 201 code. That's mean that it's already created. Um, if we go to the books and do the same here, um, we can see that if we execute the the code, it will return an 400 code. That means it's an error. Uh, It's a bad request. The author it doesn't exist because I'm not using the author ID. So we need to change this. So if we go to the database and go to the author and copy the ID of the author, so we can create a book based on that author. And you will see, there you go. So we have book created. So this is expected because my API verifies that the author must exist in the database. This fulfills the validation requirement. So you saw that I use the real author ID from the post author response. So when I use a valid author ID, the book is created successful. So let's try something. If we get on get and using the ID is correct, so it returns the author of the book. So if we use the same here in the get and put the book ID, we can see that. Um, oh, sorry, I put the incorrect ID. So I'm sorry, I have to correct something on my code. But if we go here now and paste the ID, so we can see all the information about the book and the author. So let's go. Um, if we go to the database and refresh the page, so we can see books here, all the information, and author here. And let's go here. So now let's um, delete this information. Let's go here in books and copy the ID, go to book, go back book, go to delete, try out, just copy here. And as you can see, the book is not found because I think it's already deleted. Let me see if we refresh the page. Oh, something is wrong. Let me see. Let me copy here, books. Hmm. Next. Okay, the book is deleted successful. So let's uh, look here and go to the author here. Oh, first of all, I think that we should verify something, but it's okay. Let's go here, try out, copy here it is. And as you can see, the author is deleted successful. So now let's see the database. Let's refresh here. It's deleted. So let's see something interesting. If we put here 123, it will return an 400 error bad request. That means that each root use try catch. So when an invalid ID is used, the API return a proper 100 or 500 error instead of crashing. So you can see the invalid book ID format. But if we use something like this, for example, a proper um, format ID, let's see what happened. So book not found. So we had a 404 error. So let's see my API deployed in render. So maybe it's gonna take up some time. So I'm gonna pause the video and we'll return when it is already done. So as you can see, my book API is running. So if we use here API docs, and use something, for example, a post, and create this. Okay, it's already created. If we go here and refresh the database, and we can see the author here. So this is my complete book 3 demonstration. So thank you for watching.